are getting our first look at what the 2025 hurricane season could feel like. The bottom line is researchers expect it to be above average. Colorado State is predicting 17 named storms this year and 9 hurricanes. Researchers also predict that we'll experience 85 days with impacts from named storms. The college will update their hurricane season forecast in June, July, and August, so things can change there. Hurricane season officially begins in June. We join Kat now, and before we get into the forecast, can you explain a little bit about what we should take from a report like that?
Absolutely. So you could have 20 hurricanes, most of which stay out to sea or remain weak, and people will say, you know, oh, it was a pretty quiet hurricane season, even though it would technically still be above average. And you could have 2 hurricanes. If just one impacts us, everybody's going to remember that year. So just never let your guard down. We're just under 60 days away from June 1st, which is the official start of hurricane season. Let's dive a little deeper into the Colorado State tropical forecast for this year. I want to remind you, NOAA's forecast will come out in about a month. We'll look at that one and NC State's as well. We're not in a La Nina or an El Nino likely as we start hurricane season. So we're kind of neutral, and that doesn't really steer us one way or the other in terms of how many hurricanes that we see. So we'll put that as neutral. Ocean temperatures are above normal. That increases the amount of tropical systems that are likely to form and strengthen. So that increases the forecast, but we don't have record ocean temperatures like we did last year. One thing to note, there could be a late season La Nina that would bump up the numbers. So a lot to watch. It's still early on, and we'll continue to keep an eye on those forecasts for you.